If you want to achieve something, we have a famous saying, divide and conquer. Right now, pick up a paper and a pen and write down your goals. Daily, divide those goals, because if you will divide them, you'll conquer. This incident happened with me, and this just changed my way of studying. When I thought that I will be studying 5 pages, I just studied 2 of them. When I thought that I will be studying 6 pages, I just studied 4 of them. But when I thought that I will be studying 2 pages, I actually studied 5 pages. And I didn't realize that I really studied so much. I studied more than 2 pages. So it is very much important that you should divide and conquer. Because if you divide your goals, you can easily conquer them. So this is the first tip. Now let's move on to second tip. Now the second tip. The second tip I would like to give you is do not try to focus. Yes, you have heard it right. Do not try to focus. All you need to do is pay attention. Do you know my video? I've made one video on what is focus and is it really required? So I've told you that focus is not required. All you need is attention, because focus is like the stagnant water in a pond. But when we say attention, it is like the flowing water in a river. So you just need to pay attention on whatever task you are doing. You don't need to focus at all. The third tip I would give you is talk less and do more. Yes, you have heard it right. We have seen many people in our lives who talk more but they don't do anything. They are just like saying I'll do this, I'll do that, but they don't do it. Actually, they just talk, they don't do it. And you must have seen those people also who have not talked about anything but they have still done it. They are still successful. If so, they are still scoring better marks than you. If you are in work, then they must have earned much more money than you. So this is it. If you will just do and not talk much, that will be good. Talk less, do more. You just need to do whatever you want to do. Just do it. Now just pay attention on my words, what I'm saying here. All you need to do is just to do, just to start the action. If you say it is impossible, it means it's possible. All you need to do is think that how will I be able to make it possible. Nothing is impossible unless you don't have the determination to make it possible. If you have that determination to make it possible, then it will be possible itself. Yeah, these are the tips that I would like to give you, and I have personally used them. I have personally experimented them on myself, and then only I'm trying to give these tips to you, so that you can also bring your dream to action plan to achieve your goals. Because if you achieve your goals, there is just one thing: if you have the will to achieve the goals, no power in this world can stop you from achieving your goals. If you have the determination, no one in this world will be able to stop you from achieving your goals. So that's it for today. If you like my content, please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends so that they also know how to achieve their goals. Thank you.